Today I've planned to do something that I have dreaded for almost 6 months. Thank God! Guys, something really terrible happened. Wow! What's up guys, it's me Larsa. Welcome to my channel. Right now I'm right outside my house here in Goa, and tomorrow I plan to go to Mumbai by car. Okay, I got this car, BMW X1. I got this car specifically for long drives, sorry. And I haven't yet used it for a long drive. The whole idea to get a bigger car was to go on long drives. But I've always dreaded the Mumbai-Goa and Goa-Mumbai road because there's a ghat in the middle or something like that. But today is the day. It's around 7 p.m. Today, and tomorrow in the morning at 5 a.m. I leave for Mumbai by driving this car. I am not alone, thankfully, because it's my first time and I don't think I should drive alone for the first time, so I have company with me. Let's see how this long drive goes. I'm quite nervous. Okay, it's 5:20 a.m. and I start from here. I pick up my friend Ravi from Sholem, and then we head. Early in the morning, guys. What's up, everyone? We have picked Ravi. We are on our way. It says 9 hours 48 minutes now, and it's 6 a.m. sharp. So our goal is what's our goal?
To reach by 4, hopefully.
Wow!
Yeah.
I thought we'd reach by 8 o'clock or something.
8 o'clock.
Everyone, this
Hi.
is Ravi. Just picked him like 15 minutes ago and we were figuring out the map and stuff. Just like crossed 120 on my car for the first time. You can't do that in Goa and stuff, right? I mean, so now we are on like open roads.
You can actually.
You can, but I prefer not to. Wow!
Oh my god.
Ravi is the best coach. We work out together and we also eat vada pav and McDonald's together. So we are at the infamous Amboli Ghat, the ghat that connects the Goa Maharashtra route. Like everybody takes this, and this is the faster route, but also quite like risky. Not risky. I mean, you just have to be very careful and very alert while you're driving, because people can be really nuts on ghats, and there are a lot of vedi wakde walne means crisscross roads in Marathi. Be like super careful while you're driving, but it's such a beautiful road. I'm so glad like we made this plan, Ravi.
Yes.
I'm so glad.
She volunteered because she didn't want to miss her training sessions. Itna dedication.
I'm in a very cool zone right now, and right now I'm in the zone of like editing videos and stuff, so I can work out of anywhere. I don't have like to move anywhere at the moment. So I thought, okay, let's get back to like getting into that amazing body. Like, I mean, I already have an amazing body, but like getting to that goal again.
सिर्फ वड़ा पाव खाने के लिए आया हूँ.
He's been talking about vada pav since so long. Oh my god.
I haven't had a good vada pav since a very long time, and yeah.
Neither have I.
Yeah, why?
And oh my god, I'm craving for a vada pav also, because Ravi has been like talking about a vada pav like since 2 days. It's actually so good. Wow.
Damn good.
So we just had some vada pav and we're so happy.
Yeah.
And this is one thing that everybody needs to know. Me and Ravi, we met I think 2 years ago. One and a half years ago.
Yeah.
and we realized when we met, we share the same birth date, the same year,
Yeah.
and just 1 hour apart. And it's not even crazy. Like Ravi coaches me, and there are times where he literally doesn't have to say anything to me because I just get him, and it's like we are like long lost twins for real, real.
Seriously.
And Ravi means sun, and moon means Larissa. Larissa means moon.
Yeah.
So it's so crazy. I think it's a very rare occasion that like people like this meet in lives, and I think we have a very strong connection, very strong reason why we've met, right?
Yes, I'm sure. We are yet to find that out.
Yeah. We've crossed Amboli Ghat, I think now from what it looks like.
We have.
We have
And
it.
we are back on the road at I don't know where. If we get lost on the way, we'll refigure or...
We won't. I think we are just following Google Maps, so I think we're
that's
fine.
it. Pray for the Lord of Google Lord.
Sundar Pichai.
Sundar Pichai.
Sundar! Please, हमें ठीक से पहुंचाना.
Roads are little bumpy. This is a bumpy ride though.
इसको ऐसा कर दो.
The road is really good. So one of the most important things while you're doing a road trip is susu, and I think it's been how many hours? 3 hours now. 3 hours?
Yeah, since we've not stopped for a susu break.
2 hours, 2.5 hours.
Yeah, it's 8:38 right now, and we have 7 more hours to go.
Oh yeah, fuck. Damn.
But the road has been good so far, and now
Beautiful.
we've taken a stop for a susu break. So let's see how that goes. I never prefer like public toilets, like ever. I hate public toilets. One of the things I hate while traveling is public toilets. This seems like a very cool place. No houses around, no water sources. I think that's one thing you should be very careful about. That you shouldn't like pee near a water source or like a water body. And just make sure there are no snakes around. All good, I'm done. The best part, I actually like love emptying myself in the nature. I'm sure a lot of you agree with me as well. This is such a nice place to pee. Wow. Feels great. Feels so light. Oh, I thought this was a snake. Just be very careful of snakes and other creatures. Guys, we stopped at a spot here because the view is so amazing and it's so nice and windy and the weather is also so nice. Look at this.
So beautiful.
Wow.
Dirt bike लेके आएंगे तो मजा आएगा ना. Dirt bike.
यहाँ पे आएंगे डॉट बाइक करने के लिए 3 घंटे दूर. गोवा में भी बहुत जगह है.
हाँ वो भी है.
Contemplating about like a susu break again over here. अभी तो 5 मिनट भी नहीं हुआ यार. वो बोलो यहाँ पे जाना चाहिए था.
कल तो बोल रही थी मेरे को वोबली होता है ये देख के ऐसा हो रहा है. मरा.
रवि गिरना मत.
तो तेरा देख. Wow.
I'm better off walking down.
those are the fields. उधर क्या उगता रहेगा?
We went to buy some brains last night. We went to Mopsa market to buy brains, but we couldn't buy any brains.
Because
So we've left brainless.
Don't put this. Edit this.
कुछ अपना कुछ बताओ करके.
अपना ये हटा देना सिर्फ हालांकि.
Wow. Wow, sir. Wow. अरे गाड़ी चली गई हमारी, कहाँ है?
हाँ चली गई वो.
यही पर तो है.
स्मार्ट कार है.
What do you mean?
स्मार्ट कार है तो खुद ही चली गई.
What if like you buy a car like that and then it drives away? You park it somewhere, it drives away. I can't find my keys. Oh, and I can't forget my topi. I really can't find my... Okay, it's in my back pocket. Thank God. Yes. We are in Kolhapur right now and I'm at my most favorite place in the world. That is McDonald's. McDonald's hits like very differently, especially like on a road trip or like when you're like driving. I think it's a different feeling altogether. ये आदमी मुझसे बहुत गलत काम करवा रहा है.
ये करवा रही है.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, very good, Ravi. Very good. भाइयों और बहनों, इस ड्राइव में मैंने ये समझ लिया है अपने बारे में कि मैं बहुत ही बढ़िया ड्राइवर हूँ. और and this can be a career option. 1 kilometer to go. Then we reach somewhere after 1 kilometer.
As you can see,
Somewhere in Karnataka.
what the fuck? We are going to Bombay, Maharashtra. We don't want to go.
अरे तो बीच में से I think we're crossing that road ना. We have taken that road by the way. हम लोगों ने लंबा रास्ता लिया क्या?
नहीं, we didn't. I doubt.
Where are we? I don't know.
We are at Nipani.
Nipani, okay. Nipani is
मालूम है?
it's Nipani is near Karnataka. And I've been driving at the speed of say 80 average and it's been going good. This car is amazing. Like I mean, it doesn't feel like, it doesn't stress you out in terms of
road trip.
what?
For the road trip.
Yeah, I mean it doesn't, it's not like very bumpy. It's great on in that terms. And it's been a great road also. We left early in the morning. I think that helped a lot. Now it's getting a little sunny, so it's getting a little hot. But I can see the road right now. We're on National Highway 48. Wow! ज़्यादा ही हो गया.
ज़्यादा हो गया. आ जाओ महाराष्ट्र में आ जाओ.
Fly the drone, but I have the drone with me. But I think I don't want to waste time. I'm just like so impatient to reach and to understand how much time it takes so that the next time we can go like, I mean, just take the car and go. I don't want to take the flight.
Welcome to India, my friend. Yes. Swadesh.
The first time my car is entering a tunnel. Yay! अरे कुछ नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है.
दिख रहा है.
वाव, क्या अंधेरा है. वाव. I can feel the dehydration even more now. We have 3 hours 50 minutes. That means 4 hours to go. The tiredness. More than that, I need to freshen up. I need to like stretch a little more. We just stopped and we stretched, but I need a loo at the moment. You know, like I wanna reach. I wanna reach home. मुझे घर पहुंचना है. घर जाना है. मुझे घर जाना है. Guys, something really terrible happened. We are on our way back.
We have to run back.
30 minutes.
28.
20 minutes to be precise. So we stopped on the way. I didn't vlog that part, to have some chai and to stretch a little, you know. And I left my bag on the floor. My bag, which has my driving license, my card, my all my cards. Oh my god. And the bag is also pretty expensive. Worried about that more than anything else. Just hoping, I know everything, you know, like we both were just saying, everything happens for a reason, and you know, maybe it just saved us from something really major. So we're okay with like going back. But yeah, we have to drive back 30, come back 30. So 1 hour is wasted just like that. Yeah, I mean, I hope so. Nobody's picked it up. It's a grey bag, and it's not very flashy like a red bag or anything, you know. And there was nobody around, and it's just on the floor. And my AirPods are in it. There's not like, that's just 200 rupees, but my bag is more important. My bag, my card holder. Oh my god. And to be very honest, for a person who's lost their bag, I'm a very calm person. Right, Ravi?
Yeah.
I'm just laughing.
I agree.
धड़कनें बहुत तेजी से बढ़ रही है. कर दिया यार मैंने. Like I really feel so stupid right now. Adventurous. Pretty adventurous. Driving to the left only. Oh man.
मिला तो अच्छा.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
नहीं, कैसा है, सामान रहने के बाद अच्छा रहता ना.
नहीं बराबर है, नहीं सब मिल
बच्चे लोग थे ना उधर, उसके लिए मैं आई नहीं.
कोई बात नहीं. थैंक यू भाई. थैंक यू.
आया करके.
नहीं आंटी, थैंक यू. What's up? You found the bag. Yeah.
I knew it, but when I saw that new trucks have come and like waited, I thought like, you know, nobody's going to like let go of a bag. हाँ बोलो.
मैं आंध्रा वाला अच्छा वाला है, महाराष्ट्र वाला है. मैं गाड़ी आंध्रा वाला है ना, एपी आंध्र प्रदेश.
अरे थैंक यू सर, सच में.
आंध्रा अच्छा है, सेफ्टी है ना, चेक करते है ना.
हाँ सब बराबर है. थैंक यू सर.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू.
ये गोवा है ना, गुजरात.
गोवा.
जीजे गुजरात.
Thank God.
पैसा नहीं है, कार्ड में पूरा है ना.
You know, this is our second McDonald's. This is like our second McDonald's spot.
20 chicken nuggets that we couldn't finish it at all.
We also got 20 chicken nuggets. Wow. I think I'm very proud of our appetite on this trip. But I think we've had quite an adventurous one, yeah. Come on.
Yeah.
Cut us some slack, yeah, whoever's judging us. Just crossed Lonavala. So we have 2.5 hours more to go. Woohoo. We've done a good job, and it's 4:30. I think we had a lot of stops in the middle, and also we had to take like reroute for an hour because of that misadventure. So yeah, we're going good. Still going good.
About to get inside a tunnel right now.
The third tunnel of this car.
How was your trip? Oh shit!
I was quite prepared for an extraordinary trip because driving like from Mumbai to Goa, everybody always said that it can be really tiring for like 4-5 hours straight, and I think that's commendable. Change the car drive with the flight, but I think on an everyday basis it's not really possible, especially because this is taking too much time and it's like I'm getting really exhausted.
वापस नहीं करना है.
नहीं.
ये एडवेंचर नहीं करना without a driver.
Yeah, I think I need a driver.
Yeah, you need a
मतलब
driver.
कर सकते हैं but नहीं करना है. It's not required. I feel एक दिन chला जाता है इसमें. So I don't really think it's advisable unless and until you want to do a road trip and you want to go slow and you know you don't want to reach somewhere on time. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है तो फिर कर सकते हैं.
This trip happened because I was going to Goa. No, I was going to Bombay. Volunteered, let's go. And yeah, that's how it is.
Yeah, I didn't plan on this trip, and Ravi was going. I said, "Oh, you're going by car, so let's just go." I mean, would love to experience driving on this road.
And let's see if we can we figured it out. We can tolerate each other.
Yeah. We
especially bag getting lost and bag
And the
getting lost.
McDonald's.
And the McDonald's.
So guys, that's it for this vlog. I hope you liked it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and leave your comments below and tell me what you think of this trip. It was full of adventures, I think, and it was full of fun. I think I feel like we've been driving for like 2 days. It was such a long day. And let me know if you would want me to do any more long drives. Even if you would want me, I don't think I would. But I've definitely had fun on this one. It was all a lesson, and it's always about the journey more than the destination, and I think that says a lot. And I think that's about it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.